know, the kids here, we hardly could never like ham. Your dinner will be mashed potatoes with a pat of butter and country fried steak. And I know how much you love country fried steak.
I'm waiting. I'm so hungry.
Ooh, it's turning out beautiful, real dad. You want a lot of carrots, real dad, or just a little?
A lot. I know you're a good cook.
It's ready, real dad. Pat of butter.
This smells good.
Oh, thank you so much, real dad.
I want to eat.
What kind of steak is this?
It is called Hi, real dad.
It is Play-Doh?
Oh, I play too much.
Is this from too?
Play-Doh